In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar Web Dark Mode Redesign. If you spend a lot of time managing your schedule online, switching to dark mode can make Google Calendar more comfortable to look at, especially in low-light environments or during long work sessions. The good news is that turning it on in the redesigned web version of Google Calendar is quick and simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process from start to finish. To begin, open Google Calendar in your desktop browser. Make sure you're using the web version since this setting is being changed directly from the browser interface. Once the calendar page loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that icon to open the settings menu. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Appearance and select it. This section controls how Google Calendar looks on your screen, including whether it uses a light theme, a dark theme, or follows your device's default setting. If you want the darker interface all the time, choose the dark option. If you prefer Google Calendar to match your system settings automatically, you can choose device default instead. And if you ever want to return to the brighter classic look, you can select light. Once you've chosen dark, review the preview if it appears and make sure the interface looks the way you want. Dark mode is designed to reduce glare and create a cleaner visual experience. But it's always a good idea to confirm that the contrast and readability work well for you. When you're satisfied with your selection, click Done to save the change. At that point, Google Calendar will update and apply the dark mode redesign to the web interface. You should now see darker background tones across your calendar, while events, text, and controls remain visible and organized in a way that's easy to use. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to refresh visually. In some cases, reloading the browser tab can help. Also keep in mind that this change applies to the web version of Google Calendar, so if you use it on another device or browser, you may need to adjust the setting there as well. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in the Google Calendar web redesign, making your calendar easier on the eyes while keeping your schedule just as accessible and organized.